There's a British phrase we use when communication goes slightly wrong, to get the wrong end of the stick. It doesn't mean someone didn't hear the words. It means they understood the meaning differently from what was intended. You might explain something carefully and still realise the other person has taken away a completely different message. They've got the wrong end of the stick. This phrase is useful because it reminds us of something important. Misunderstanding doesn't usually happen because people aren't trying. It happens because meaning moves faster than we check it. Children experience this all the time. They say something simple, and adults respond to what they assume was meant. The words were heard, but the meaning wasn't. That's when children start to hesitate. Not because they don't have words, but because they're not sure of how their words will land. In British English, we often use this phrase gently. We don't accuse, we don't correct sharply. We say, "I think you've got the wrong end of the stick." And then we slow down. We clarify. We check understanding. We give meaning another chance to land. This is a powerful habit for children to learn. Good communication isn't about speaking perfectly. It's about noticing when meaning hasn't landed and being willing to adjust. When children grow up knowing that misunderstandings can be repaired calmly, they become more confident communicators. They don't panic when things go wrong. They pause. They clarify. They try again. That's where real confidence forms. Not in getting it right the first time, but in knowing what to do when someone gets the wrong end of the stick. Confidence comes first.